Hi, I'm Jack, and this is my bike check. Kink whip frame, 20.5. Odyssey, Aaron Ross keyboard grips with Odyssey par ends. Odyssey M2 lever with Odyssey dual cables. Kink links bars, gold, really nice. I like them. Stock stem, some gyro plate I found. Snafu, Astro Glide, Mobile SC Tangular. Gyro tabs, SST gyro bottom cable. Rocket Shadow Krogora with stock cranks and Primo pedals, PC in purple. They look blue. Ditech Ombre brakes white with clear brake pad. Really nice. Odyssey don't take the paint off the wheel. Let's see. This right here is a custom wheel. Alienation black sheep rim with a lace to Primo white spokes and Eclot Tech hub purple. I really like that hub. Really loud. Front wheel and forks. Alienation PBR rim, black spokes, white hub, and this is a stock wheel, by the way. Came on the bike. Shadow Conspiracy Creeper 36 forks. Really nice. I like them. They're super light. My bike probably weighs 24.6, I believe. Yeah. I don't run pegs. I'm a pegless rider. That's about it. Rate and comment.